Okay, this is my teaching philosophy or my why statement, which is something I did in another class that I'm going to consider the same thing because they really are. So I believe every child deserves a lighthouse in their personal storm. I will facilitate a growth mindset and a loving environment. Oftentimes, I'm the only person in that child's life who genuinely cares, so I will show them that they are loved and safe. Students will know their opinion is celebrated and respected. We will celebrate success and we will celebrate failure as a community. I will rekindle these students' love for learning. So, the first thing I wanted to touch on is kind of the growth mindset. I've learned that in college. It's going to be really important to me to have a growth mindset classroom, not necessarily focused on the grade or the tests, but the actual growth and the learning. And, the fact that kids don't all grow the same, they're not all at the same pace. I feel like the state is very focused on results instead of actually learning. They would rather have them pass a test than actually know anything, and I don't agree with that personally. With the person in that child's life who genuinely cares being the only person, I've witnessed this in my wife's classroom personally. The parents are not the greatest, and they kind of respect and look up to my wife for that. So I kind of want to be the same thing for my students. I want them to show that they're loved and safe because maybe their environment at home is not that. In regards to their opinion being celebrated and respected, all walks of life, all religions, all color, everything, all of that, they're going to learn that we will respect everyone, and you don't have to necessarily, I don't know how to word it, you can celebrate everyone, basically, and do it in a manner that's actually learning their culture and not just, pandering to it's Black History Month, so they've got to do that. But I want them to celebrate and understand that all months of the year, not just the 1 month. And so, I just really want to build a community with my kids, and that's kind of my end goal. Thank you.